Cayetano Heredia University, and is currently one of the major producers and publishers of scientific research in the country. The university was founded in 1961 by a group of professors and students from the medical school of the 4-century-old National University of San Marcos in Lima. This group of students and professors expressed their strong disagreement with legislation inspired by the UPRA, a political party interested in the absolute control of the university system in the country. The legislation advocated the co-government of all the state universities by the so-called Student One-Third, which would politicize the academic enterprise. The dissenting group was led by Drs. Honorio Delgado and Alberto Hurtado, Dean of the Medical School at San Marcos. As their campaign to preserve academics failed, the 400-plus faculty members had no other option but to resign en masse and found the new medical school as a private non-profit academic institution. The first classes commenced in April 1962. Some have suggested that these events were the subject of prior arrangements, agreements, which, in the political context of the time, would have been practically impossible. 47 years later, Cayetano Heredia and San Marcos are the most prestigious medical schools in Peru. The rectors of the university, since its foundation, are, soon after its founding and during the following 40-plus years, Cayetano Heredia University became a significant center of higher learning and scientific research in Peru. UPCH is credited with world-quality research in the area of health sciences in Peru. It is a rather small school that focuses on the disciplines of medicine, dentistry, natural sciences, public health, veterinary medicine, nursing, psychology, and education. It grants baccalaureate degrees as well as master's and doctoral degrees in biochemistry, biotechnology, medicine, biology, and a Master of Health Administration. Cayetano Heredia University has established numerous agreements and collaborative arrangements with leading institutions from all over the world, including the Johns Hopkins University, University of Washington, University of California San Diego, University of California Berkeley, University of Alabama at Birmingham, London School of Tropical Medicine and Hygiene, the Prince Leopold Institute of Tropical Medicine in Belgium, and the University of Pennsylvania. The Instituto de Medicina Tropical Alexander von Humboldt is among the top research institutions in tropical medicine in Latin America, with ongoing investigations in tuberculosis, leishmaniasis, malaria, and HIV, both at its site in Lima and at several field sites such as Iquitos, Cuzco, and La Merced. The institute is internationally recognized for the Gorgas course in clinical tropical medicine, given jointly with UAB. The Instituto de Investigaciones de la Altura is known for its contribution to the understanding of high-altitude physiology and the pathophysiology of acute and chronic high-altitude sickness. The logo of Cayetano Heredia is a yellow shield with the words, Spiritu Subival Spirit, on the sides. In the center is the rod of Asclepius, which is representative of medicine and healing, together with the National University of San Marcos and the Pontifical Catholic University of Peru. The Cayetano Heredia University is one of the only 3 Peruvian universities which has managed to rank first nationally in certain editions of different major international university rankings.